one of the things people worry about is starting the right business. And if you want a side hustle, you want to start that startup or whatever it is you want to do in 2025, then you might have this question as well. And I want to show you a cheat code that you can use in order to make sure you set up the right business for you. Doesn't matter if you're thinking about doing an agency, e-com store, maybe you want to sell courses, get into AI, no code, and start a SaaS, maybe a consulting firm, or maybe you've already started these and you're not seeing the success, then this video, this cheat code is going to help you build the right business. And because we're an AI copywriting channel, we're going to show you exactly how you can do it using AI tools in order to write the content for you, whether that's social media content, whether that's content for your website, whether that's content for the actual thing you're going to sell and deliver as a product or service. Now, these are all very tempting business models, but how do you know that you're picking the right one? And actually, this isn't an exclusive list. This is just some examples. Well, what I'm going to show you in this cheat code is the fact that you can start the right business completely for free. You're going to collect a group of people together that you can ask what they're interested in. And then from this cheat code, what you're going to be able to do is you're going to know if you're going to start an agency. You're going to know if these people want an e-com store. You're going to know if they want a course or they need some kind of SaaS product or they want some kind of consulting, because you've got together your ideal clients in one place and you're actually asking them. And you can ask daily, you can ask weekly. It's completely up to you how often you want to put content in, but there's no barrier to this because you can do everything completely for free. And I'm going to show you the tools in a second. Once you've done that and you know exactly what people want, you're not guessing, you're not just coming up with some idea and starting a random business, you're starting the right business for your potential client. You can then take those people that you have collected together and you're going to turn them into beta testers. You're going to create a minimum viable product or of whichever one of these they are, which means, again, you can use free tools because you can start your e-com store, with a free trial. Or something like that. You can build a minimum viable product of your course and just pop it in a Google Drive, because people are not expecting a final product yet. They are beta testers, and you can still make money off these beta testers because you could charge them a little bit to be a beta tester, but they know that they're not getting the final product, but what they're getting instead is exclusive access to you. And because you've been using these free tools, these AI tools, and other free platforms in order to build out this cheat code, what's happened is that these people already know, like, and trust you, so they're interested in buying from you. And then what happens is that when you're ready to launch, you've got your beta testers that you can turn into your first members, but you've also got this group of people that you've been putting valuable content out to on whatever topic you want to talk about. And therefore, you have this group of people that you've collected. And it doesn't need to be a lot of people. 100, 200 people is absolutely fine. You can launch for free, which means at no cost to you. And again, you can start making money. But if you can get your first 20, 30 customers, then they will turn into referrals. And like I said, you can do this all from a free platform using this cheat code. Now, what is this cheat code? This cheat code is a newsletter. You can build these completely for free on a platform such as Kit or such as Beehive. And as I said, you start putting out valuable content that you can use AI copywriting tools to create. You then put polls into your newsletters, ask people what they want. When you've got a good idea of what they want, you use AI tools again in order to write the content or create the videos, whatever it is that you want to put together. You then turn the people on your newsletter list into beta testers. They then become users. Anybody else on your list, they know you, they like you, they trust you, they know that you provide value. So when you put out the final version of your course, your SaaS, your agency, whatever it is, you launch for free to your list, which means you don't need to worry about ads or anything like that. You can get your first few customers, and then you incentivize these first few customers to refer out. Either just say, hey, get people onto my newsletter. Get people onto the newsletter will mean that you've got an opportunity to promote your product or service to people on the list, or they can go straight into referring whatever the product is. But the point is, you've made the right business because it's right for you based on the value that you want to provide, and it's right for the people on your list because you've asked the right questions, and therefore you have built the right thing. But you've done it at no cost to you. But the entire time you've been building out a list of potential customers, people that want to buy from you when you launch. You can launch straight from your newsletter, and then you can build out and you can refer. And like I said, you can do this all with free tools to start with. And then when you're making money, even at the beta tester phase, you can then start using paid tools if you want to accelerate things out. So if you'd like to learn more about that, on the screen now you can see our newsletter course. This is 5 hours completely for free if you want to get cracking. We're going to put out tons more content about exactly how to do this and do it with AI tools, so you can do it as a one-person business in January. So if that sounds of interest to you, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.